Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study about a really important personality in the modern Indian history, and that is Rani Kamlapati. Now, why Rani Kamlapati has been in news, we are going to study that. So, this topic is important from the perspective of GS Paper 1, Modern Indian History, और ये आपके prelims के लिए भी उतना ही important है. ठीक है, please write it down. Take out your Modern Indian History notebook, and we are going to make notes on this topic. All right. So when we talk about Rani Kamlapati was a Gond queen. She was a tribal queen who was married to the Raja of Kinnaurgarh, and she is considered as the last Hindu queen of the Gond dynasty. Now, why she is in news? Because the name of Bhopal's Habibganj railway station now has been changed to Rani Kamlapati station. Rani Kamlapati railway station is country's first ISO certified and developed railway station which is built on the public private partnership model. ये पहला स्टेशन है स्टेट में और पूरे वर्ल्ड में सेकंड स्टेशन है जो कि स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट फैसिलिटीज का यूज करके एक वर्ल्ड क्लास रेलवे स्टेशन कंट्री में तैयार किया गया है. तो हमारी कंट्री में सेकंड ऐसा स्टेशन है और स्टेट में पहला ऐसा स्टेशन है जिसको वर्ल्ड क्लास रेलवे स्टेशन टेक्नोलॉजी से तैयार किया गया है. एंड इट हैज बीन नाउ रीमॉडल्ड ऑन द पीपीपी मॉडल. Cost of this project is around rupees 450 crore. Okay, तो याद रखना this station was earlier known as the Habibganj railway station. Now it is Rani Kamlapati station. It is in Bhopal. कहाँ पर है ये? भोपाल में है. All right. Now let us answer this question which can be asked in your preliminary examination. ये question pre में पूछा जा सकता है. With reference to Rani Kamlapati, consider the following statements. She was claimed to be the last Hindu queen of Bhopal who did great work in the area of water management and set up parks and temples. She belongs to Munda community. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Very easily you can identify that second statement is wrong because it's not the Munda community, it's the Gond community. So C option will be eliminated. Okay, C option हट जाएगा यहाँ से. B option will be eliminated. First statement is absolutely correct. तो D option भी हट गया and correct answer will be A. पहला statement correct है, second statement wrong है, तो आपका correct answer हो जाएगा option A. Unacademy brings a huge discount through the Save on Combo offer, wherein if you take a combo subscription of GS plus optional subscription on Unacademy Plus, you will be covering the pre-mains and optional syllabus with top educators on Unacademy Plus under just 55,000 rupees if you take a 1-year subscription. 25% discount we are providing with optional, 10% discount if you use this referral code ARPITA10, and flat 2,500 off will be applied on your subscription price. यानी कि एक साल की तैयारी सिर्फ 55,000 में आप कर लेंगे कवरिंग प्री मेंस एंड ऑप्शनल, जिसके साथ आपको 20 बुक्स भी मिलेंगी जीएस की. ठीक है, that will be delivered to your house in your preference of language or choice of language, Hindi or English. This offer is just for till today, that is 30th November. Links are given below in the description box, and also on your offers till 30th November we are providing 3 months free extension. तो आप वेट किस बात का कर रहे हैं? आज ही फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अनअकैडमी प्लस और अपनी तैयारी को एक अफोर्डेबल वे में, सस्टेनेबल वे में शुरू कीजिए. Another important fact about Rani Kamlapati is that she was the daughter of Raja Kirpal Singh Sarotia of the princely state of Salkanpur, Sihor. She is known for her intelligence and courage. Now Sihor कहाँ पर है ये याद रख लेते हैं. तो Sihor is a city in मध्य प्रदेश. Please write it down. Sihor जो है वो मध्य प्रदेश का एक शहर है. Rani Kamlapati was also a very expert horse rider, wrestler and archer. बहुत skillful सेनापति थी. She also fought and participated in the wars with her father's military and with her female team, and she protected her kingdom from the invaders also. She was brave, she was empowering, and she was very, very skillful. She was married to Nizam Shah, son of Suraj Singh Shah, who reigned over the state of Kinnaurgarh. Now कहा जाता है that there is Rani Kamlapati Palace also in Bhopal, okay, which is as a token of love for Rani Kamlapati by her husband. And after Rani Kamlapati's death, that was in 1723, the rule of Nawab started in Bhopal, which was led by Dost Muhammad Khan. So this was about Rani Kamlapati. ये था आपकी आज की आर्टिकल रानी कमलापति जी के बारे में. सो आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस आर्टिकल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स अच्छे लगे हो, एंजॉय किया हो, एंड यू आर ऑल्सो टच्ड बाय द ब्रेवरी ऑफ रानी कमलापति।